Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Domiso V Part Wig, a human hair wig designed for black women with a natural-looking scalp exposure. This wig features a thin part, no leave-out, no glue, no sew-in, and no cornrows, making it super beginner-friendly and healthy for your hair. With 180% density, the hair is soft, full, thick, and tangle-free for easy styling and a flawless finish. The V-Part design lets you instantly change your look without damage or hassle, perfect for those who love versatile hairstyles. Installation is quick and simple, no glue or sewing required, making it ideal for anyone new to wigs. Domiso offers 100% human hair, ensuring a realistic and high-quality appearance every time. If you want a flexible, natural, and easy-to-wear wig, this might be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.